It's about 8 o'clock. I'm on the road this morning. I'm heading down to Birdsall Marine to pick up my rocket launcher, helm seat, leaning post. I guess they call it rocket launcher though. So it's real nice. Can't wait to show up. So I'm making 2 hours and 45-minute drive to pick up my rocket launcher for my Dusky build, which is already 90% complete anyway. So, but I'll probably shoot some videos of Birdsall Marine so you guys can see that. So. The only thing bad about the Florida Turnpike is I was supposed to show up at 11 o'clock in the morning. I've been stuck here for about 45 minutes on this standstill. So I've been delayed now to what? 11:53, and I was supposed to be at 11 o'clock this morning, so still stuck here. So we'll see how long it takes. Still in the same place. Now we're down to 12:39 arrival. Probably looking at 1 o'clock, but before I got there, supposed to be an hour ago. I was supposed to be there at 12 o'clock already. Hasn't moved one bit. Still shut down. Still waiting. Yep, you guessed it. Still here. Apparently, from what I found out, unfortunately 2 people passed. It's tragic, nothing good. Feel bad for the families and those who died. But like I said, you can see we're looking on 2:32 right now as it stands. 2 o'clock, so I'm going into my 4th hour of being here for the sake of my new rocket launcher. Hopefully it'll be on the move soon and we'll get there soon. We're finally moving again. So that's where we're at right now. To get a 249. Just opened up to move. Oh yeah, I want to see it. I'll record it for you. Oh, that's beautiful.
So we're going to mount a rod rack on this boat.
Did you guys make that fiberglass too?
No, that's the sheet rod.
Oh, okay.
Right here as well.
Wow.
Welds, T-tops and everything there.
So you guys do everything custom. Wow, beautiful work. That's
these are going on the Ocean Master outside. We got one. This is where this is going to go on the Ocean Master.
yeah. That's my next fiberglass T-top, and I have that fabric down. It's horrible. So, but oh wow, you even sent a console you guys mock up.
And that's
Oh, the mold. Wow.
this is how they'll start.
Yeah.
They're going to make it all out of wood from the drawing, and then goes over to a CNC shop, and they cut a plug, and then it gets finished, and then you create your molds from that.
Wow.
There's some pieces of it that back here.
That's really cool.
That's actually going to be a stern seat and a forward-facing helm seat.
Okay.
So it's a front, back, and then there'll be tackle storage on it.
Wow, that's kind of cool. That's beautiful. That's a good artwork to do. He's the one I made the mixed seats.
Yeah, those all the seats.
Big upholstery.
Assembly back here.
Wow. So you guys do everything from the upholstery, everything?
Yeah.
Wow. That's awesome.
Upstairs, exams department.
Okay.
We got machine shop. Full machine shop.
That's really awesome.
A lot of different stuff happens out of there.
That's awesome.
Prepaid, but
you guys install the products and everything?
yeah.
That's an awesome operation. That's really awesome. I heard nothing but good stuff from you guys.
Oh, yeah. You're getting a nice seat.
Oh, I know that. I shared with people in the Dusky forum that I'm part of.
Yeah. Oh,
When
yeah.
I show them, they're like, oh, Birdsall Marine, that's a heck of a product.
Yeah, you're off white in that Dusky.
Yes. Well, I don't have anything else. Yeah.
Makes
All the hard stuff?
all the hard backing.
Was that fiberglass?
It's PVC foam board.
Oh, okay.
And then he foams it all and cuts it, glues it, cuts it, and then it comes in here like this.
You gotta do any color, huh?
And then they do all the patterns and so on.
That's awesome. So you can match any color to any boat too.
Pretty much.
This is amazing. I love leaving Birdsall Marine, guys. What an amazing service. I highly recommend it. We're up in the back, ready to go home. Like I said, they were awesome. I can't say more than good things about these guys. Highly recommend Birdsall Marine.